Hello guys, so let's move on to the next part and that is Venn diagrams level 4. Okay, I'll just give you a question. You can just try it out and then you can just pause the video because it's an LR question, logical reasoning question actually. ये quant में नहीं आता है. Okay, not in QA वाला part, अपना maths वाला part. It's basically part of logical reasoning. But since we have seen Venn diagrams and it's very important to discuss level 4, we should do that. Okay, so this is the question for you guys. I want you to just pause the video and try it out and then we'll discuss. Okay. ओके गाइस, तो पहले तो ये समझते हैं कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ डायग्राम वी विल यूज ओवर हियर. ओके, सी लेवल, अगर यहाँ पे इफ यू सी देयर आर फोर फैसिलिटीज F1 F2 F3 F4 चार है यहाँ पे, राइट. सो इट इज नॉट अ लेवल 3 डायग्राम जहाँ पे आपने तीन सर्कल ड्रॉ किए एंड यू स्टडी द इंटरसेक्शन, राइट. यहाँ पे चार सर्कल लेके भी शायद काम नहीं जमेगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, okay, the four circles will not cover all types of regions we need to talk about, right? So अगर सिर्फ दो है तो ये दो हो सकते हैं, या फिर सिर्फ दो के लिए ये दो हो सकते हैं, ये दो, राइट. एग्जैक्टली वन के लिए एक दो तीन चार. ओके, बट यहाँ तीन के लिए यू डोंट हैव लाइक सफिशिएंट प्लेस, राइट. तीन के लिए सफिशिएंट प्लेस बिल्कुल नहीं है यहाँ पे हमारे पास. जैसे ये रीजन है, यहाँ पे एक दो तीन ये है, ये वाला नहीं हो पाएगा तो तीन हो सकता है. ओके, यहाँ पे अगेन तीन हो सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी अगेन तीन हो सकते हैं. तो एक रीजन मिसिंग है जहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली तीनों मीट होंगे, राइट. नो, फॉर दीज थ्री, isn't it? So that is a problem with circles. You can't account for all the available spots which we need, right? Exactly 2 वाले, exactly 3 वाले, exactly 4 वाले, ये भी हो सकते हैं यहाँ पे, right? So for level 4 diagrams we follow a slightly different pattern, okay, like this. So एक diagram दिख रहा है guys आपको, ये पूरा होगा F1, okay. इसी का जैसा दूसरा होगा F2, okay. Now what we do is we place F3 and F4 on perpendicular axis, okay. इससे अब क्या हो जाएगा, सारे रीजन कवर हो जाएंगे, okay. अगर आप मुझे बोलते हो people who possess only F1 facilities, तो ये वाले होंगे. F2 वाले सिर्फ ये होंगे, F3 वाले सिर्फ ये होंगे, F4 वाले ये होंगे, okay. Now there are certain facilities which have only F1 and F2, okay, these two. वो कौन से होंगे, वो ये वाले होंगे, right. Only F1 F2. Only F3 F4 कौन से होंगे, ये वाले होंगे, right guys. Okay, if I ask you only F1 and F3 होंगे, only F1 and only F3 आपको दिख रहा होगा, ये रीजन हो जाएगा, this one, right. And only F3 and only F4 कौन सा हो जाएगा guys, only F3 only F4 basically ये हो जाएगा, right. Again if you want three of them, अगर मुझे F1 F2 F3 तीनों एक साथ चाहिए तो ये हो जाएगा, right. If you want F2 F3 F4 तो ये वाला हो जाएगा, right. If you want F1 F2 and F3 तो ये वाला हो जाएगा, and if you want F1 F2 F4 तो ये रीजन हो जाएगा, right. And this cross is basically the region which is common to all four. Okay, so very conveniently you have all four kinds of renditions over here. Exactly one, exactly two, exactly three, exactly four, like this. Okay, अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे guys, simply इस diagram को fill करेंगे यहाँ पे with the given information and that's how we'll solve the question. So the following observations were summarized from the survey. 80 schools did not have any of the four facilities. Okay, total 600 schools का survey हुआ है, right guys. उसमें से 80 schools do not have any of the four facilities, right. That means 600 minus 80, 520 have at least one, right. 520 ऐसे होंगे जिनमें exactly at least one facility होगा, right. Okay, 40 schools had all four facilities. Okay, we discussed थोड़ी देर पहले, ये region है guys जहाँ पे exactly all four वाले आएंगे. Okay, so this is where you put 40 people. Okay, next, the number of schools with only F1, only F2, only F3, only F4 is given and we put place them respectively. So only F1 कितना है guys, only F1 है अपना 25, only F2 30, only F3 26, only F4 20. Okay, the number of schools with exactly 3 was the same irrespective of which 3 were considered. Okay, exactly 3 वाले ये वाले होंगे guys, you can see them flashing on the screen right now. Okay, all x's, right, 4 x's, यही सब में common होंगे, right. Exactly 4, exactly 3 वाले, right. So I'm calling it as x for time being, right, this value. Next, 313 schools had F2, तो F2 basically किसको correspond करता है, 313 value को correspond करता है, right. Okay, 26 schools had only F2 and F3 but neither F1 nor F4. So F2 और F3 जो common region होगा, okay, only F2 and F3 वाला region होगा, मेरे ख्याल से ये region होगा, this one, right. Okay, that is 26. So यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको 26. Okay, next, among the schools having F4, 24 had only F3. Okay, so F4 में exactly 24 ऐसे लोग हैं जो F3 को belong करते हैं, तो ये वाला region हो जाएगा, right. 23, this one, sorry 24. And next, 45 had only F2. Okay, so F4 के साथ में exactly F2 वाला ये है 45, right. You can see it here. Okay, 162 schools had both F1 and F2. So ये जो आपको green में बार दिख रहा होगा अभी, okay, that is the highlight, that is the intersection of F1 and F2, right. Okay, so this is given as 162, all right. and the number of schools having F1 was same as the number of schools having F4. Okay, so F1 और F4 का total basically क्या होगा, same होगा. All right, now that's all the information we have. What I will do is I'll assume these values, the remaining values, as Y, A and B respectively. Okay, I'll just assume these values for time being. Okay, now we go on to solving this question. Okay, now बहुत लोग थोड़ा पैनिक कर जाते हैं इन सब क्वेश्चंस में, बहुत सारा कैलकुलेशन वगैरह देख के, बट डोंट वरी. Okay, this question is very very easy. Okay, just a few calculations here and there, and then they're sorted. Okay, so let's start. We have been given that this value is 162, where f1 f2 meet, right? That is 162. So I can say y plus x plus 40 plus x should be equal to 162, right? And also I know that f2 is nothing but 313, isn't it? So f2 में guys क्या क्या आता है? f2 में देखो ये 162 तो पूरा आ गया, 162 plus ये 30, 26, x and 45, right? So sum of these values 162, 30, 26, x and 45, this should be 313, right? That's exactly what we'll write now in the next step, and that is 162 plus 30 plus 26 plus x plus 45 is 313, right? Okay, so when you solve this guys, see the x का value मिल जाएगा 50, tada, right? And substituting x का value, we get y equals 22. Okay, इसमें इस वाले में in the first equation that we wrote, we substitute x का value is 50 and we get y is 22, right? बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे सॉल्व हो गया गाइस अपना. We had 5 places where x and y were occupied. अब हम उनको रिप्लेस करते हैं, x की जगह आ गया 50, y की जगह आ गया 22. Superb, right? Now we have only two variables. See, this question is so simple. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. In the next part guys, we use the information that f1 is equal to f4, right? अब बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं गाइस, पूरा f1 का वैल्यूज लिखते हैं. f1 बेसिकली क्या हो जाएगा, 25a 50b 22 50 40 50, एंड f4 क्या हो जाएगा, f4 हो जाएगा 50 40 50 24 20 45 50b, all these values, right? Okay, बड़ा सा इक्वेशन बनता है, right? So what I say is avoid this guys. हम लोग क्या ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, देखो ये वाला पार्ट जो है येलो रीजन, this yellow region is common to both f1 and f4, right? Right, so अगर ये येलो वाला पार्ट कॉमन है, which is common to both of them, the remaining part should also be equal, right? So remaining part क्या बचा guys f1 में, f1 में अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे यहाँ पे, so f1 में the remaining region will consist of 25 22 25 22 a and 50, right? And same way अगर ये region आपने f4 से भी निकाल दिया, क्या बचेगा, 20 45 50 24. Okay, so when you equate these values directly, okay, you will get value of a as 42 एक step में, as simple as that, right? Okay, and then we go on to the next part, and that is we use the first condition in the last actually. So 520 people have at least one. Okay, अब again बहुत लोग guys यहाँ पे long cut मारते हैं, सारे values लिख के उनको add करते हैं, equal to 520 करते हैं. मैं बोल रहा हूँ see, यहाँ पे in this question we already know f2 का value is 313, right? Okay, तो ये 313 के अलावा क्या क्या values अपने पास अब guys, 25 है, a है, 50 है, b है, 26, 24 and 20. Okay, so 313 plus these 7 values should be equal to 520, right? It's as simple as that now. Okay guys, and from this you can figure out the value of b very easily. That comes out to be 20, and यहाँ पे a और b का value आप put कर दीजिए, 42 and 20. Your table is completely filled, and now you can answer the questions. You can answer the questions, right? What is the total number of schools having exactly 3 of the 4 facilities? Okay, exactly 3 or 4 के लिए हमने क्या देखा था, ये सारे values है. Okay, you can see here 50 50 50 and 50, these 4, right? When you add these you get the answer 200. Very simple. What is the number of schools having facilities f2 and f4? f2 and f4, f2 and f4 guys कौन सा हो जाएगा, f2 and f4 basically हो जाएगा ये पूरा region, right? This one. So 50 50 100 40 45 185, a option, right? What is the number of schools having only facilities f1 and f3? Only f1 and f3 means, okay, the region which is common to this f1 and this f3, only these two, right? Okay, but इसमें बाकी सारे भी आ गए, देखो इसमें अपना f2 भी आ गया यहाँ पे, तो ये नहीं चलेगा, यहाँ पे f4 भी आ गया, right? So अपना आंसर सिर्फ क्या होगा, a होगा, 42, as simple as that, right? Okay, next, what is the number of schools having only facilities f1 and f4, जो हमने निकाला है थोड़ी देर पहले, that is 20, that's the answer.